Hello, good day everyone, and welcome to another instructional video. And in this video we are going to be looking at how to answer and attempt an online quiz. Now, an online quiz can come in the form of an assignment given by a class teacher, a test, or an online exam. So we want to look at how to properly answer an online quiz, how to properly answer an online quiz, how to make sure that your response is being inputted correctly, and how to submit to ensure that the creator or the teacher actually receives your response. So let's dive right into the video. Okay, so this video, first of all, this video is going to be for mobile users, and I'm still going to record another video, and I'm going to emphasize on laptop and desktop computers. But for this video, this is for mobile and Android users. Okay, so as you can see, this is my Google Classroom environment. And as you can see, I'm sure we are all familiar with this environment, but for the sake of new parents, I will just have to go over one or two things again, so there can be much clarity on what we are doing. So this is the class I'm going to enter, and we are going to attempt to answer an online quiz. So this is basic 4 class. So I'm just going to click on basic 4. Okay, and if I scroll down, as you can see, this is the examination for the last session 2022 to 2023. So these are the assignments that was posted for last session 2022 to 2023. So let's just open one and let's see how it looks like, and let's know how to answer properly. Okay, so let's just click basic science test. Okay. So as you can see, it brings out this page, and this is the link here. Android users, this is how the link is going to display. So please don't be confused. When you're on your Android and you click on that, assignment, it's going to take you to this page, and you're going to see something like this. So please be mindful. If you come to this page, please do not be confused. You are on the right track. Alright, so we're going to click on this link, and it's going to open our mobile browser. Alright, and as you can see, we have basic science tests. Basic science tests, as you can see right here. So now, what we are going to be doing now, I'm going to be looking at how to attempt this online quiz. I'm going to be looking at how I'm going to attempt this online quiz properly, so that your response is being recorded. Now, the first thing you must be mindful of is this area right here, which is called write your name. Now, there's a reason why this write your name is being put on this online quiz. This is for the purpose of the teacher trying to sort out which response is coming from which child. So all I can do is I just write my name, and so now when the child actually attempts this quiz and the child submits, the teacher will know, okay, this response is from this child. So that's the reason why this first section here is very, very important. And as you can see, there is a red asterisk button. What this red asterisk button means that it is a required response, which means it is very compulsory. And what it also means is, if the child does not answer this section, the child will not be able to submit this online quiz. So let's move on. You can see, just like you have your normal test in the classroom and your exam, the same thing with this. Now, if you notice this now, this is a test. Okay, it's a test. It's for them to just, analyze and evaluate the child's performance. So if it's an exam, you will see a timer. The timer will be somewhere up here, and the timer is going to be counting down. Usually 1 hour, 1 hour 30 minutes. Yes. But for now, this is not an exam, so that's why you cannot see the timer. But all exams that will be posted, there will always be a timer here. So, and this is to let children know that you are actually in the exam hall. So you should try as much as possible to answer the questions as fast as possible. And if you are unable to answer the questions as fast as possible and the time runs out on you, what the system is going to do is that the system is going to automatically submit your response, whether you have finished or not. I'll take that again. If you are attempting an online exam and the timer runs out on you, the system will automatically submit your response, whether you have finished the exam or not. So that's the reason why we always give as much time as possible so that the children can answer. And again, for parents who have network issues, maybe they are trying to answer a question, it's giving some network issues and all that. That's why we have sufficient time so that we can appropriately answer the questions in the right manner. Okay, so let's just go down. As you can see, list two examples of vehicles. Also, this question has a required check mark, which means it's compulsory. It's a compulsory question, which means you have to answer this question. So like this, you can just type what you want to say: car and sheep. Okay, so I've answered that, and then go to the next one. Mention two advantages of vehicle. You can say location. I'm just giving an instance just for you to understand what it feels like, especially for new parents who are really quite new to this system. Okay, so and state 4 safety measures in using the vehicle. Okay, you can just answer safety measure. Maybe say fire extinguishing. Safety measures. Have seat belts. I'm just trying to just give you make you have an idea of what we are trying to do. After the child has answered all these questions, now you can see that there is a submit button there. So the child presses that, and everything that has been answered in all these sections will automatically be submitted to the teacher. Now, if peradventure there were mistakes that were made in all sections, and you feel that you want to clear and start all over again, there's just a simple way of doing it. Let me just show you that real quick. So if you notice, we are right here. It says clear form. So once you just select that clear form, automatically everything that you have inputted here is going to be deleted. So which means you're going to start all over again. And it also means that you have to write your name again, put in each response, but this time in the correct way you want to answer it. So I hope this was helpful and also informative. So as usual, you can rewind and watch this video over and over again if you are having difficulty or you are having challenges navigating your way around this system. So thank you so much for watching. Be sure to give us a like and subscribe to our channel. So thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.